It's been almost 4 years now since I left my home country. Well, not for good. I left because I wanted to fall in love with it and miss it even more. The first 3 months were the hardest. I even cried in the hostel room the night before I took my flight to Cologne, Germany. I questioned and I hesitated that night. My head kept telling me, is it really what I want? And there were a lot of what ifs going on in my head. It was December 1st, 2016. The temperature was 5 degrees outside when I arrived, but I didn't feel the cold. Instead, I felt the excitement and the warm welcome from the country that I've been dreaming to visit so long. But homesick is and will always be there. If more, when we feel on our lowest point. It is not because we are weak, but because it is the necessity of feeling security. With all of the nostalgia and the sweet memories we carry from home, yes, it is always the safest place on earth. However, I learned to cope with it, and one of the cures is cooking my favorite dishes from home. Because it always reminds me of how my mom taught me to slice the vegetables while telling me that I have to be an independent woman one day who always relies on her own feet, or of my dad's crazy jokes, of my brother and my big family, and also my old friends. I know one thing, that despite the boundaries between time and space, they will always be there no matter what. In a country that has become my second home, I learned to stand on my own feet, to trust no branches but on my own wings. Here, I find the place I also call home, the love, the friendship, and also the feeling of secureness.